Hello traders, in this video I want to introduce you this new expert advisor that I made. You can find it in MQL5 Market, the link is in the description for the video. It's a graphical interface composed by 3 tabs at the top, then in the center there is a section dedicated to display grid informations when is active. There are also some buttons which can be useful to manage the grid, or to preview the possible target and stop loss price. The panel is draggable and you can simply edit all setting without having to open the Input tab. The input settings are used only for the first execution or for the tester strategy, because the expert advisor write all the setting in files. This expert advisor waits a position to be opened, no matter if you open manually or with buttons or eventually via mobile. It creates a grid in Anti Martingale with pending stop orders in the same direction of the first position. Let me introduce you all the features in detail. In the first tab Symbol Info you can find useful information of the symbol like minimum lots that can be traded, maximum lots, step lots, the value and account currency of one lot, the margin requested by broker to trade one lot. In the second tab you can find Anti Martingale grid settings. The inputs are start lots, the lots of first position, which can be different from lots of pending orders. Grid lots, the lots used from the expert advisor to create the pending orders after the first position. Orders number, the numbers of orders including the first position of the grid. Distance, for 4x the distance of orders in pips, for others symbols and point. Type of grid, which can be incremental, after the second order the other orders will be incremented in size with % multiplier specified. Fix, the orders of the grid will have the same size of grid lots parameter. Decremental, after the second order the other orders will be decremented in size with % multiplier specified. Multiplier, the number in % to use in incremental or decremental type of grid. In the third tab you can find risk management settings. The inputs are TP, the monetary target price for all positions of the grid. INT. TP, the monetary intermediate target price, when reached the expert advisor protect the position adding an order with total lots in opposite direction of the position of the grid. Stop loss, the monetary stop loss, when reached the expert advisor closes all positions and pending orders. Trailing threshold, when the positions grid reach the monetary profit level, it will be activated the trailing stop. Trailing stop, the monetary trailing stop at which the expert advisor closes all positions and pending orders. Under the tabs there is a section dedicated to display grid information when is activated. Buy lots, the total buy lots of the grid, if started. Pend buy orders, the total pending buy lots of the grid. Sell lots, the total sell lots of the grid, if started. Pend sell orders, the total pending sell lots of the grid current profit, the current profit of all positions of the grid, in brackets the total profit max profit, the max profit of all positions of the grid max loss, the max loss of all positions of the grid, in brackets the stop loss. The panel has also some buttons. Buy market, the expert advisor insert an order to buy market with the lots specified in Anti Martingale settings start lots. Sell market, the expert advisor insert an order to sell market with the lots specified in Anti Martingale settings start lots. Buy and sell market, the expert advisor inserts simultaneously an order to buy and sell market with the lots specified in Anti Martingale settings start lots. View TP and stop, when the grid is started you can view in real-time target and stop loss and price, you can adjust the settings to modify the grid in order to obtain the desired results. Preview grid, the expert advisor create hypothetical grid when is not started with target and stop loss in price. Close buy, close all buy positions and pending orders. Close sell, close all sell positions and pending orders. Close all buy and sell positions and pending orders. Close all buy and sell pending orders. D is useful when you want to change the grid settings, just modify before the inputs orders number and or distance and or type of grid and or multiplier %. In the bottom if grid is active you find a real-time information about the leverage of all positions and the position value and account currency. So traders, let's try to preview a grid. It's easy to do, just press the button preview grid on the right. It will appear hypothetical grid with calculation of target and stop loss in price. If there is no pending order the expert advisor calculate 2 grids in opposite direction. If you change some settings like for example the stop loss or target price the grid change in real time. Now let's try with a buy limit for example. Or a sell limit. Now we try some tests in the strategy tester on the Nasdaq index and AMPyraGrid just to see how the expert advisor works. The first test on Nasdaq along with these parameters. Monetary target, $5,000. Monetary stop loss, $500. Starting order lots, 6. Grid order lots, 3. Orders distance in points, 30. Number of orders to open: 10. Type of Anti Martingale grid, incremental. Lot multiplier, 20%. Let's start the strategy tester. I changed the background color of the chart. I'll go to 3:30 p.m. of the 6th of December and I will try a buy on the retest of these lows. Okay, let's start the grid. Now I activate the button View TP and Stop and the Expert Advisor shows us the grid with target and stop loss and price and relative lots. So let's go on. As you can see, when a pending order is executed, the TP and stop loss prices are modified. As I said you before, when the grid is working you can find all the informations you need in the center of the panel. The second test on Nasdaq along with these parameters: monetary target, $5,000. Monetary intermediate target, $500. Monetary stop loss, $500. Starting order lots, 6. Grid order lots, 3. Orders distance in points, 30. Number of orders to open: 10. Type of Anti Martingale grid, incremental. Lot multiplier, 20%. In this case, as you can see, when the profit reaches the monetary intermediate target, $500, the expert advisor protect the position, adding an order with total lots in opposite direction of the position of the grid. The third test on bust short with these parameters. Monetary target, $5,000. Monetary intermediate target, $500. Monetary stop loss, $500. Starting order lots, 1. Grid order lots, 0,5. Orders distance in points, 25. Number of orders to open: 10. Type of Anti Martingale grid, incremental. Lot multiplier, 20%.